The Miromar Factory Outlet Center, located in Champlain, New York, opened in 1993 and closed in 2000. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified of my latest video. Please hit that like button and leave a suggestion or a comment. You might see that in a future video. Thanks for watching, and now back to our regular scheduled program.
Names you've heard of at unheard of prices are what you'll find at Miromar Factory Outlet Center in Champlain, New York. Designer fashions, top brand name shoes and athletic wear, kitchenware and home decor, brand name electronics and cosmetics, brand name luggage and bedding, brand name kids clothes, and so much more, all at factory direct savings. All the great names, all at great prices, all waiting for you at Miromar Factory Outlet Center. Take exit 42 off I-87 just north of Plattsburgh, only 40 minutes from Montreal. Miromar Factory Outlet Center, we're not just dropping names, we're dropping prices every day.
The Miromar Factory Outlet Center opened in June of 1993. It was located right off exit 42 of I-87, roughly 2 miles south of the Canadian border and 20 miles north of Plattsburgh. The plaza was called the Horseshoe Mall because of the unique U shape with a larger outlet meant to close the top of the U. The center was built to target Canadian cross-border shoppers from Quebec, or Quebec if you're a French Canadian. The project was created by Miromar, a Canadian company. The project was to feature up to 3 phases, but only phase 1 was ever built. It included nearly 40 stores and 130,000 square foot of leasable space. The Miromar Outlet Center building in Champlain was U-shaped, as I had mentioned before, and it had covered an outside walkway without an indoor walkway. It had, however, a unique feature. All stores were connected together with a set of French doors between each one, allowing shoppers to walk from store to store without having to go outside if the weather was inclement. The stores found at this outlet mall were typical of many outlet retailers: American Tourister, Bass Outlet, Corning Revere, Dansk, Danskin, Donna Karan, Cape Isle, Knitters, Carter's, Champion Hanes, Famous Footwear, Florsheim Shoes, Jeffrey Bean, Greetings USA, GNC, IB Diffusion, Kitchen Collection, Leather Loft, Legs Hain, Levi's Outlet, Main Street Eatery, Publishers Warehouse, Prestige Fragrance, Spring Made Wamasuda, Trader Kids, Eagle Eyes, Woolrich, Westport Limited, Westport Woman, Van Heusen, Welcome Home, Windsor Shirt Company, and Famous Brands Electronics Outlet. Whew, I think I got them all. The strategy of capturing the Canadian shopper's business worked for a while, but over the years, Canadian traffic dropped. Stores started to close. If any Canadians ventured south for the weekend to shop, they went straight to the Plattsburgh malls. The Walmart and Sam's Club opened during that time too, or down to Glen Falls, where they could outlet shop and visit the theme park there. Welcome Home closed in 1997. Levi's closed in January of 2000. GNC closed in April of 2000. And the last store to close was Famous Footwear in September of 2000. So why did this outlet fail? The Canadian dollar value plummeted in the years after the center's opening, drastically reducing the number of cross-border shoppers from Canada. The closing of Plattsburgh Air Force Base in 1995 was a big blow to the local economy and jobs in the area. The mall was in a remote area and heavily oriented towards the Canadian shoppers. When these shoppers started to vanish, local shoppers were not sufficient to keep the mall afloat. Plattsburgh had more shopping centers, restaurants, and big box stores. That became more attractive to locals and to Canadians, who started to drive right by the struggling outlets directly to Plattsburgh. As of 2021, the Champlain property sits empty. But if you really want to go to a Miromar Outlet Center, there's also a successful one in Estero, Florida. So what are your fondest memories of this place? Leave a comment at the bottom. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you just watched my video, thanks for watching. Hit that like button and please subscribe to Eric C. Productions.